Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Hacks, and on this video I'm gonna guide you how to find all the restricted accounts on Facebook Messenger. To get started, you need to hop into Messenger app. Make sure to sign in on your Messenger account. Then in order to find all your restricted accounts on Facebook Messenger, you can simply tap on the three-line icon at the upper left corner. Now tap on gear icon at the top right corner. On this page, you need to scroll all the way down, and under the preferences you can see privacy and safety. Tap on it and scroll down, and under who can reach you there is restricted accounts. Tap on it, and here you can easily view all the restricted accounts on Facebook Messenger. So this is how you can easily see or view all the restricted accounts on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this video useful. Hit the like button if this video is useful. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and then press the notification bell so that you won't miss any videos from our channel. Thank you guys.